Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Surojit and today I am trying to install 470.05 driver on my PC for my LHR 3060 cards, and let's see I can get the full mega hash or not. So first of all, I am cleaning my Nvidia driver by DDU and you can see it's just going to complete now.
So I am now on save mode. You can see here the save mode. So in save mode I'm just uninstall the display driver and let's see what's happened after the clean installation. So it's now restarting. In save mode I'm logging another time. You can see now.
So this is the 470.05 driver and here you can see lots of 470.05 driver and other driver are downloaded here. And before, for testing this the driver in my LHR card, I am using this for testing but unfortunately I am failed. And also I tried on 470.05 driver. Here you can see lots of but the driver is not installing in my PC and shows it's not compatible or else. But thanks for the Bendoncon YouTube channel, because in there I got a 470.05 driver and unfortunately this is working on my PC. So hopefully I can get the success.
470.0 the game ready driver. Okay.
Now you can see I am installing 470.05 driver and you can see it's going to complete and now it's going to restart.
My motherboard is Asus, Windows 8 is running, and my LHR V2 is here. Sorry for the display because here a line goes up and in this here my screen is damaged, half damaged. So it's done. Now I am go to the okay, just click on Windows and R and ms config type and enter, then boot, app mode disable, apply, okay, again restart and you get the normal Windows pop-up is yes, now it's coming to normal mode. Okay, that is starting. This is one more thing, that my 4705 is installed but here my only one card is selected, my LHR V1. It's not get the V2 card. So let's see on nice hash. You can see now all the core clock, memory clock is 0 and power limit 183 is the best clock setting. After benchmarking I restart the video. Okay, so the benchmark is complete. You can show here my all benchmark is complete, and this is, I don't know what is it, by the way. The one more thing is, you can see that NV miner in Dagger Hashimoto or ETH getting the max 27 megahash, and in LOL miner you can see the max get 35 megahash. So I think it's not working, but let me try. It's got now 21 megahash, 22, 22, and how much it will get, I don't know. Let's see the max clock setting. I selected for, you can see that my core clock is -502, max memory clock 1600, power limit 70, temperature limit 71, and speed 70. Okay, so I'm now start mining on it's got now 25 megahash, 25 or 26 is around, I think is there is, hope you can see that it's on not direct plugging, it's the X1 factor is paused. So I am now removing this and plug into direct on X16 slot. Let's see what happened. But now for reduce the maximum, and it goes 1550. So let's see how much it will get, and after this I remove all my GPUs, my 2 GPUs, and then I direct plug my GPU in my computer on X16 slot. It's 26, I think it's go maximum 28. 27 is max, 26.8 is something. You can show 26.8. So now I am removing all the part and direct plug on my computer. So let's see what happens. So this is my MSI RTX 3060 gaming ace. This is a LHR V1. So I hope if I direct my direct plug on this X16 slot, so hope let's get full mega hash. After the putted the card in here X16 slot, I started the video again. Okay, so I'm now putting this on my board, and this is too short area just for testing. I fix on this here, but after if I get the success, then I remove this from here. So the PCI cable just for one hand, roughly pushed in, and the second is here, and after switching
run. No, I'm not direct shot this GPU now. Okay, I forgot the plugin just for wait. Okay, now so all set. My PCI cable is ready and all these are ready. I just starting it. Fan is running. Let's see. Yeah, the skin is ready. After the starting, I just restart my video. So okay, so I am now put in this. My LHR V1 is set into a X16 slot, you can see here, and my all component is working. So let's see is it get 50 megahertz so on nice hash, so it's good for me. After opening nice hash, and here the MSI afterburner settings, you can see the maximum memory clock is 1550, but I set on 1300, core clock minus 502, all limit 70 and fan 70. So on NB miner you can see it's showing 35 on my first benchmark, but I re-benchmarking on this. After benchmarking, I just start the video. So after the benchmarking, I see that it's getting the max 26, but all the settings I applied, you can see the max setting, but nothing changes in here. LOL miner is starting, and DAC generated complete. So you can see the unexpected low hash rate. Here you can see 27 is coming, and here you can see 27.22. Raw max speed, here you can see 48, but there is showing that LHR is switching and my hash power is now LHR is semi unlock process is going on, and for this I get here 33 is going up, 34, it's got 34, 35, but not get the actual 48 or 50 or not up to 40 megahertz. So this is, you can see the max setting, the graphic drivers, all is generated
HDMI dummy plug or the monitor. You can see my monitor is connected, but the LHR semi-unlock is going on and on, so I get around 34 to 35. I don't know what I can do now, but if you have any solution, then comment down below so I can get the full hash rate on my LHR V1 card, because LHR V2 is not supported in 470.05, but this card also not supported that full max hash rate. This is not work for me, but if you want to try on your LHR V1 card, then you can check Brandon Coin YouTube channel, and there you get the link to download 470.05 driver, and hope you get the success. It's not working for me, so it's upset, so I can move on at first before I am using both my LHR and V1 and V2 card in 35 mega hash after max setting. So hope this is good for me. I am updating you that now in February 2022 the 4.0.75 is not supported on my computer. You can see all the X16 slot and all the setting is applied, whatever. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos.